Hi guys, I'm working and we have something here. Somebody requested, not requested, needed, right?
It's a different.
Right. Let me open it.
I should already know.
Huh?
I should already know.
This is for Alliance badminton racket
I knew it.
grip.
What is grip?
I guess this is, I think, a nylon based. Whenever Ryan uses this grip, he's having a itchiness in the hand. Maybe he's having allergy. So
But I don't know how
I got
to.
this. We'll wrap it now, nah? I need to put it here. Yeah, of course. How is it now?
Nice.
Cushy?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see. Let's play with it, then you'll know. Okay? Of course, you solve your problem already.
Hindi na kami sa labas, guys. Punta kami ng Victoria kasi may aasikasuhin kami, and then baka magpunta din ng play area ang mga bata. Since half day lang si Ryan dahil nga sa buwan ng wika, at least nasama namin siya. Pero parang natutulog siya sa likod. He's really tired, it seems.
Yeah, the play today.
Nakatulog siya, guys. Pero nag-enjoy daw siya sa buwan ng wika. Medyo mainit lang. Buti na lang padadala ko sa kanya yung mini fan. So, manageable. Hinihintay namin si Ate Joy kasi nasa bangko. Super cutie pie, Maui! Nice OOTD!
They said he will give me maybe tomorrow.
Tito Ram will borrow? Huh? So cute. Pakita si Ryan sa likod. Natulog si Ryan. Natulog dyan. Bubu! Ang bubu! Drop namin sila dito sa Ascendido. What's the name of that play area? I forgot already. Bye, Ryan. Are you awake? Bye, Maui.
Bye, Mommy.
See you later.
Don't open this area.
Yeah, just help Ryan. Bye-bye. Have fun, okay? I know you're tired, but at least you slept for a while. Mom and Dad's just going somewhere. It'll be quick. Is he still asleep? Careful. Bye. You want water? Ask Tita Joy, okay?
Go to washroom, then just gargle your mouth, okay? Love you.
Wala. Sige, go. Ikaw muna. Something is there. Food Fest. Kadayawan. Oh.
Still Kadayawan, finish
Yeah.
only, right?
But there's still food available. My sister asked Daddy how many hours they will be there. I said 1 hour only. Because we're just gonna be quick. Right? Last time was so quick.
Yeah.
So for sure this time also.
Just after lunch only, so
Yeah.
break.
Sunduin na natin sila guys. Tapos na kami doon sa Victoria. And tapos na din sila dito. Hello! You're done, Ryan? Get your shoes. Oh, ayaw tumigil. Maui.
Hello.
Who is this?
Hey, come on, P.
No.
Mama.
Oh, bro.
Bro.
He don't want to stop playing. Bro.
See. Yeah, I see this one. See.
He's crying like anything there, Daddy.
Still wanna play?
Yeah. We'll go some other place, okay? Gutom yarn. Gutom.
Free.
Oh! Wala ko siya hiding, oh. Show me your donut. Wow! Ito naman kami sa SM, guys. May kukunin kami and then may bagong building sila na kinonstruct. So gusto namin i-check out which part, Daddy. This one.
Oh, that's one.
Oh, yung black na yun. Yan. Right?
After that one, I think.
Pero medyo traffic lang. Ayan, ito. Hindi pa namin napuntahan. So, let's check it out. And since it's Friday, gala day. Fancy. Looks nice. Ang Maui tulog. Diba? But smells like paint pa lang. Ang dami pang empty na mga ano. Shing, piano Shing. Piano. Cute ni Maui, oy. Diba?
Sakto-sakto si Mama.
Saktong-sakto lang. He's awake, but he's behaved. Hello. Hello, Maui boy. He's shocked. Where am I? Waiting for CZ. Dito kami sa may Chowking. Let's wait for Tita Joy first.
Last time was talking.
Mommy, look at the doggy. How cute. Finally, Mommy is here. He's active. Dito na naman kami sa new part ng SM. Iikutin namin. Punta kami sa taas mamaya para masulit nating mabuti kung anong meron dito. Si Daddy lang busy pa rin sa kanyang trabaho kahit nagliliwaliw. Ha?
What is that? Salon de?
De?
Like, I don't know what.
By the French baker. I think it's bakery na na. Nahilak naman na. Buy toy, Mommy. Buy toy, Mommy.
Go to Miniso. Your
Favorite place. See, Bandai also. Go there, Mommy. Si Ryan ang gustong pumunta dito. Nakatingin. Nandoon sila, guys. Kami dito ni Daddy Ram. Check kami ng badminton racket. Yonex also. Is there a different brand? Leaning also here, Daddy.
This is new.
Are you okay now? Are you okay now? Ganda ng mga sapatos, oh. Non-marking shoes. May mga restaurants. That's it. This one seems fancy. The brick. It's so cold, right, Ryan? Ang lamig.
Mom will drive you now.
Maui. Because you want something. He'll be happy once he get it. What's that, Shing?
Milk. It's
Milk?
really good. I got one for you.
Hot tea?
I think you like it. I remember drinking this one.
Watch. Bibi, bibi. Watch, bibi.
Order na kayo, ma'am.
Wait lang for a while. Mamili pa.
I think you like it.
So, is it good? Huh? Mommy's happy with his new toy. Where's your toy? Shout out, Tita Kay. Maui got his own one now. Happy na yarn. Like a boss. Smiling. Dumating na ang aming food, guys. We got chicken, salad, pizza, some nuggets. Hindi na makahintay. Wala pa yung kasama namin. Ewan ko nasa na sila. Nag-shopping. Si Ryan din. Gutom is real. Oh my God. Ikaw na talaga. Is that hot? What's on top, Ryan? Some kind of potato? At least it's pepperoni. Your favorite? Oh. You want this, Ryan? Sige, sige. Dali lang. Okay lang. Oh, this is big actually. Pasta is big.
Your mom, sir.
Thank you. Which one you want? Pasta? Okay. It's hot, okay? His favorite drink now. Ah. Careful. Which one you want, Daddy? Ryan, careful.
Yeah, I like the chicken, but I don't really like the
Oh. This?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your thing.
I'm bad trying to do that.
Whose request is it? Ate Ishi or Ryan?
I'm doing the challenge. Hopefully I do not.
Challenge.
Cream sour. Challenge.
You
What
buy
is
that one, you will eat that one, okay? There's no challenge. If you buy, you eat.
For me that is. For me that is.
Should not waste food. Right, Maui? Our behave boy. Oh, napaka-behave.
Don't let Maui taste it. She will cry because it's so sour.
Even though it's bitter, sour, whatever flavor, you need to eat. Because you bought it. Okay?
Alright, challenge.
Forehead extreme shower. Okay, which?
Randomize. It's empty.
Huh? Where's it empty?
You are empty.
Let's take
Where
this.
is empty there?
No, uncle.
Okay, go. Open it.
I got watermelon.
Dalawa ang isa. Maui wants to join also. See, look at him.
I don't want to try it.
Oi, no. No, you need to eat it.
Baby.
He goes like.
I got.
Right?
What's the flavor? Spicy? Minty? Sour?
Blue raspberry.
He's like, it's not that bad anymore. Like he's close.
Stop it, Daddy.
Every time. Scratch already.
Check, open it.
Can I open?
Yeah. Maui's stroller fall down. Then you put that one.
Yeah, but it's below, right? Above, you can see.
You're pranking me. You're pranking me.
Maybe when there is like that. Ta-da!
Still okay. It's a prank ka talaga, Daddy.
It's not exactly on top.
Sige. Who told you to eat again, huh?
Me. Guys, even worse.
Even worse? Ay, nako. Eat that. Eat that. Eat that. Kissy. I need to finish this off. Daddy, forgot our laundry, Daddy. Nag-ano pala kami ng laundry. Kahapon ba yun? Ang cute, guys. Oh. So cute, right, Nana? So, pupunta si Daddy Ram. Kukunin ang laundry. And then, maglabay ng basura. Did you cut already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I have a Kit Kat?
Huh?
Kit
Kit Kat?
Kit Kat? No, you cannot.
Kat. Okay.
Come. Daddy. Come on. Closer.
Yummy.
In your tummy. Who else?
That's Hyper Maui.
Ishi.
Yes,
You want
I'm okay.
now or later?
Later.
Oh, later.
Because she's Kit Kat.
No. No.
Kit Kat.
No.
Good thing, because of on camera, that's why she gave her very slow way.
Yeah. Happy birthday! Wala ka nag-sing happy birthday! Good job. Every day na si Ryan washing dishes. That's mine. Thank you. Thank you, Maui. Daming laundry, guys. Nagpa-laundry kami. 4 bags. Malis na. Maui! Bumalik na naman. What is that? Candies? Oh, you're giving me? Thank you, Maui! Ayaw. Malis na naman. Okay, I won't ask. Okay. Wow, you got a lot of candies naman. Pag nasa mood siya, guys, ganyan lang siya. Doing his own thing.
Asa pa?
Ready na ko, oh. Bigla ang bisita.
Wait, ganyan, nakapajama ka.
Oh, di ba? Ready na ko. Ready to go out na food.
Uy! Wala na ba? Di besto?
Yes,
Seconds lang
nanagkuhan ako. Nakamiss. We are gonna buy
Uy,
durian.
nakatawa ko sa
Ay,
inyong vlog
let's
ba?
try durian sa ano, sa magsaysay.
Durian, 80 only. Pag balik 250. I told my mom. Their vlog is so funny. But they don't intentionally make it funny.
Yeah.
The situation. Going
It was
there,
80
80. Coming back, 250.
Welcome to my vlog. Open your video.
Open your video.
Apo, apo.
Show the apo.
Grandson. Uy. Tanawa sa...
Manawagan ka.
Tanawa, bakit sa itaan na si Magawas? Isa man din na yung malakitan. No.
Oh, kami na ka banto kayo ng sunod na tubig. Halang gid.
Okay. Daw ka na ka-scatter?
Alang?
Ako na sa tubig.
Ay, nagtubig.
Ganyan ko sa inyo kahalang.
Potato curry.
Sardinas daw.
Agling para mo daw ka sa scatter.
Subak.
Shot.
Thank you.
San Miguel, not Red Horse. It's okay, right?
Yeah.
Cheers daw, cheers. Ano walay cheers daw?
Sudlok. Ay, lubot.
Ah, okay. Only one glass for them.
Pandador, one glass is coconut water or water?
ay, katong ano, chaser.
Chaser.
One glass for awaka. The father-in-law, that's Virgilio.
Ano sulod?
Yeah.
Oh, may nakabarong pa, oh. Buwan ng wika celebration.
Ay, kay mga untag durian.
Ay, dito mo sa sunod yung
Bye, see you later. We'll go buy durian. Bili kami ng durian, guys. Oh. The search for durian na naman. Oh, tilawi daw, te.
For the vlog.
For the vlog. Ikaw daw ang star karon.
Star of the vlog.
pagutan ng Gigi. Abot mo yan sa India. Abot mo sa India. Oh, yan siya. Panawa ha. Sana family.
Nag-promote pa.
Sana family.
Durian candies. Come on, tilami.
Ano kayo siya? Creamy kayo.
Mas lami.
Dili tamis. Lagi na isa.
Mahurot na lang og tilaw. So, okay? Okay? Ongko. Pila mo dyan ka durian. Okay? Ongko.
Si.
Yummy durian. Sana all.
Ay, alas, yan.
So strong the thought.
Tanawa sila, te.
Napalayo silang duha. Wala ang oso.
It's very strong, very strong.
They said that the sumpa is that you have to put water here and wash your hands so that it
Actually, will
will
go
go out.
Ito na bang ate ba?
Napalahit sila, te.
Ate ko, ate ko.
Isa rin din siya.
Ay,
Sa gani na po.
Yummy durian.
Arancel yan eh.
lonely.
Ana sa tibong ko kay muntong raman. Nya.
Skillet dito guys. Unsa man skillet dito? Unsa to?
Muntong.
Right, Ram, you go
Muslim
there
together, no?
together with them. They don't eat also durian.
They don't want to smell also.
And then, yummy. You don't eat.
Siguro mo dali. Guys, is
Asa mo na malik ani?
I swallowed it daw.
Ano na malik ani?
Gitalo na daw niya.
Say. Wala na.
Oh, come here, Ryan.
Nanunod mo dito, te, o dito ra sa gawas.
One more.
Oy, ganahan na siya hapit.
Tastes like mango daw.
Oh, kind of tastes like mango.
Shout out Inday Pakdak.
Ramboy isog.
Shout out Lagrusa, Miriam Gumapakabada.
Si Magda kayo, ano na ito? Madiha!
Hala, namoy kutsilyo.
Durian.
I don't know why the today is so strong.
Because maybe it's many.
I don't know. Having headache.
I swallowed it the first time I'm swallowing durian.
Very good.
Now that I taste it, I can't smell it at all.
Oh, see, you're getting used to it.
It's like an onion and a mango. I think that's how it tastes in my opinion. Maybe you guys' opinion is different than
Yeah.
my opinion.
Flat tire. Dito na lang sila matutulog.
Sirit na yun.
Daddy, we should buy something like this. Very useful.
Xiaomi. Para sa nga brand?
Xiaomi.
Ako mo na yung mga
45 magkano?
wala man sa kailan. Paano di ba sa palo?
Ano sa undo pagpalong ano isa.
Okay, bye. See you. Sige. Bye, vlog.